Okay guys, I got the rear brake master cylinder here. It's kind of exposed. So I ordered this part from Thailand. It's basically a cover from SRC Moto. You guys probably heard of this place. And what I'm going to be doing is just putting this on here to give it a little bit of protection. And that should help. You know, just keep it protected just in case, you never know. Now, I think this is should be a 6, I'm guessing. Well, let's take a look here. See if it fits. Yep, we're good. So what you want to do is just unscrew these. Now, I'll let you guys know, I've never worked on a motorbike in my life. This is the very first time. So if I make any mistakes or you guys can offer some suggestions, then please let me know in the comments. I think they got some Loctite on here, which I didn't bring. But that's all right. I'm not going to worry about it. Yeah, I didn't bring my Loctite with me. That's red Loctite. I got a blue Loctite. All right. So that's off. Now, what they give you is a couple of spacers here. All right, so actually what you want to do is you want to put these on the inside. And as you can see, it's a little bit, you got to fiddle around a little bit to line it up. Try my best. One. This one here. Engage the rear brake a little bit to try to force the alignment. Just gonna hand tighten these first to make sure they line up with this. It seems not bad. All right, let's just put the ratchet on this and bring it in a little bit. Make sure it aligns properly. You won't tighten it completely right now. Just want to make sure the alignment is correct. A little bit more. Take a look. Yeah, that looks pretty good. You can still see the level there. All right, hold her in place and tighten her up all the way. Now, I didn't apply any Loctite to this. I may take it off later again and put some Loctite on there. I'm not sure yet. I just want to see what the piece actually looks like and run it for a bit and see if I like it. All right, and that should be it, guys. A little cover on there. I prefer it in black, but the silver doesn't look too bad, I think. SRC Moto, not too bad. And that's my first actual mod to the bike. Simple little mod, but I think it's good that it protects that. All right, that's it for now, guys. I'll catch you in the next video.